That's kind of funny.
What is?
There was a reduced speed sign ahead, and then it says at the same time, end of school zone. So are you telling us you sped us up to run the kids over?
Details.
Yay.
Oh, look at that. There you go, free reign.
All of our nuisances are gone.
Yep. At least this particular round.
Oh, this is beautiful too.
Yep.
And it's like we're in a whole new freaking world.
Yeah, the valley here is a bit wider.
What is this sign for?
This blinking one?
Yeah.
Truck advisory.
Okay, so no trucks this way.
Yeah. Because it starts to get windy.
Okay.
We gotta go right. Yeah, this is usually where your t-shirts and stuff are. If you want to get them.
This place? Are they even open?
Might be.
I don't think so. It doesn't look like it's open.
Yeah. Well, the general store might have some.
But we're coming back this way, right?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
We'll come back this way.
Okay. I think that guy wanted by us anyways.
Probably.
Because he was kind of on the curves, he'd be on my obviously couldn't keep up with me on the straightaways.
Yeah.
So what's the end of this?
Hot Spring. The city of Hot Spring.
Oh, gotcha. So once we get to Hot Springs, we just turn around and come back.
Yep. We're
Okay.
the same way.
It's funny how being on a lower gear actually rips these hills apart so much better. Why does that work that way?
But
Oh boy.
being in higher revs,
Is that what it is?
yeah, you got more low end torque to your rear wheel, so you power hill a lot quicker.
Hmm.
You also have the engine braking, of course, so that helps with your deceleration control before your curves.
Yep.
Logging truck.
Logging truck.
Yeah, I guess they didn't get the memo that they shouldn't be running trucks up through here.
Well, they're not quite the same though as the other ones. I think they're meant more for roads that don't necessarily hold trucks.
Yeah.
Because you notice their trailer wasn't quite as long.
Yeah. Yeah, these are some tight twisties through here.
Yep, noticed. You probably hear the change in my engine.
Sure do. And this is similar to the Dragon.
So if I can do this, I probably can do the Dragon.
Probably. I know that the Dragon has is some, off-camber switchbacks, and that throws it in.
Will you just let me remember? You just remind me when we're getting there, and cause you'll be doing them before I get to them.
Yeah.
They're really 55 miles an hour.
Yeah.
They are kidding, right?
No, that's the speed limit on this road.
Oh my god. So why are more sports bikes not on this one?
Because of how far out you gotta go to get to it. And a tractor. Awesome.
Do you hear my bike? Boom, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah. I got a little bit around myself. And back in the valley.
How many valleys do we go through with this road?
This is like the third one I know of. Definitely the one thing about this road, it is far more scenic than the Dragon.
Yes, yeah, it is. Some of these turns, you're like, you'd think that you would hit the other. It was almost a complete circle.
Yeah. Few of them are like that. Oh, they're about 6 miles from the end.
See, it's a bit longer than the tail too, so that's probably why people don't go on it as much.
Yeah, it's about 30 miles compared to 11.
Yeah. Whereas the 11 is 11 non-stop instead of 30 off and on.
Yeah. Sorry, dude. Kind of easy my hands at the moment.
I just gave him a finger.
Ah. Place to live.
The only problem with that is so far away from town. I mean, I guess they're closer to the other town.
Yeah, Hot Spring. Still takes you a while to get there because you got to navigate the mountain roads.
Woohoo! Yeah. Hello. Yeah, that was me.
I heard.
No, I really... That was really bad.
Well, did you?
Oh, yeah. My foot slipped off the frickin' peg.
Ah.
Which really threw off the whole thing.
Yeah.
When I say peg, I mean floorboard, because, I'm brilliant that way.
Yeah, I knew what you meant. Knew what you meant.
It just startles me every time I frickin' get over that far.
Yeah. You got that far. If I'm over that far, I'm really over. Of course, I can lean this thing so much that I start to scrape the front part of my under panels. And I don't have long before my rear wheel leaves the pavement. At what point they go, whee!
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah, I kind of like my body work the way it is. And gear intact. Another one of those turns, be careful on it.
Yep. It did better that time. I did better that time.
I heard.
Okay, wasn't sure because you didn't respond.
Oh, it's because I was navigating another one of those turns. This section is definitely a lot more tech.
Yep, noticed. Would those be considered switchbacks?
Yeah. That they are. Gravel, center lane. The switchback.
Okay. Pardon? You said another one?
Yep.
Okay. It was a steeper one.
East. Another one.
Man, this road really likes its switchbacks.
Yeah. Yes, it does. It's good practice because you'll have a lot of those back to back on the Dragon.
Yeah. Fortunately, those are going to be graded at a slower speed. Considering the speed limit is 35.
Right. I'm going to switch back.
Oh, but it's the other way.
Yep. Another one?
I no longer see you, so... So if we're breaking up, it's because I don't actually see you. You're not in line of sight.
Gotcha.
But I'm still making it round.
Yeah. I'm just kind of putting along.
Yep, I see you now. Well, I did a second ago.
Yeah. That was a straightaway, you'll see. More turn.
Yep. Back to a reasonable pace.
Yep. I hope so. You gotta soak after this.
Yep, but we need to make sure we pick up some electrolytes.
Yeah. Currently 5:22. Definitely don't want to linger in hot springs too long.
No, I don't think we want to linger at all because it's starting to get dark out here.
Yes.
In the shade.
Yeah, it gets darker earlier in the valleys.
I think all I want to do is, when we get there, is just get a drink and then turn around and come back. That'll give my hand enough time just to kind of soften up a little bit.
I do have that big bottle of water in my trunk.
Exactly. It'll be warm as hell,
But it'll be hydrating.
but it'll be hydrating. It's actually probably better for our systems anyways, not being cold.
Yeah.
It'll also give us a chance to change batteries. Well, me a chance to change batteries.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna pull over into this restaurant here.
Okay.
Oh, look, another Dollar General. I'm so surprised by this.
Yeah.
Guess the shade, maybe?
Yeah.
It is a workout, all right?
Yes.